So yeah, guess what I told the client? I said, please send me a PNG logo, and guess what he did? He sent me a JPEG. Anyways, check out this Webflow site that I created called atschoolmusic.au. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Derek Su. I'm a Sydney-based web designer and Webflow developer. In this super quick video, we're going to go over a site that I created a couple of years ago called atschoolmusic.au, and I just want to give you guys a understanding of how I came to create this specific website. I'm going to break it down even more by starting at the brief. So essentially, I was commissioned by these two brothers. I believe their names were Andrew and Patrick. They're musicians that play around schools based in Wollongong or Geelong, Victoria, Australia. So when they reached out, they gave me specifically a guide on what to do. Usually I've never actually shared this before, but you can see they wanted a one-page landing page, and this is what they gave me with almost no other context. So essentially they have a logo, they provide private music lessons. They had a couple of stock photos that they wanted to use throughout the site and a couple of dot points, as well as a schedule at the very bottom. And that is essentially it. That's literally the brief. And then I had to go in and design it and develop it in Webflow. But based on the budget at the time, I just went straight to Webflow development. This specific website is not a template. It's all custom design, custom built, I guess, but it's nothing crazy. So here, we just have musical lessons across primary schools around Geelong, Victoria, because that's the header one. It gets straight to the point. The next thing is a short paragraph text, which explains further how they provide in-person music lessons during school hours. So piano, guitar, drums, and ukulele. And we have a really nice image on the right-hand side that shows the actual teachers, essentially. In the navbar, we have the logo, we have the Instagram and Facebook, as well as a couple of links that scrolls you down to that section. It doesn't take you to a different page. The CTA is to actually email them, hence why it has an email. And this is very specific to your client. So these clients really wanted people to email them. So there's no point in calling them or filling in a contact form. That's specifically what they wanted. So scrolling down, we can see a bit more information about what they do and what to bring. We have another really nice high quality photo, as you can see, of the two teachers, and you can even tell that they're in a school, in a classroom, with branded items such as a tote bag, followed by more details about them, followed by this section right here, which shows specifically where they offer their services in schools. You'll notice this is actually a Google Map embed, but the crazy thing is this is actually embedding 8 different locations, which the client can update them themselves. At the time of making this specific website, I remember I really struggled on how to do this. In fact, I think the client actually told me how to get this embed, but this is very unique in the fact that it has 8 different locations in a Google Map embed. So we have that. Then we just have after school, followed by another really nice image, followed by why learn a musical instrument, followed by tuition rates. So you can see right here, I put a lot of design effort into here. I put like quote blocks with different colors and the CTA, and then just a simple footer right here. And that's essentially it. Let's quickly take a look at it on mobile. And you notice everything just stacks. We even have that really nice menu right here, which takes you to the specific scroll section. And everything is nice and dandy on mobile. And I just want to show you guys this website. So thanks again for watching. Check out more of my videos right here. And I'll see you in the next one.